Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. This is me Shahinda binti Zuhaili. I'm from 2H. Can you guess what is the purpose of this video? Never mind, let me just tell you. In this video, it is all about me giving a demonstrative speech about how to make a buttermilk chicken. Just a short story, I'm not into cooking, but buttermilk chicken is the first dish that I cook by myself. I'm so proud. I got inspired by the video that I watched from TikTok. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video and I will show you the ingredient, the steps to do it, and the final look about this buttermilk chicken. You need an egg, 1 red chili, a sprig of curry leaf, 5 cloves of garlic, a seasoned flour, 1 slice of cheddar cheese, 2 pieces of chicken breast, butter, and 1 can of evaporated creamer. Prepare a bowl and a spoon. Then, take the chopped chicken breast and pour it into the bowl. Same goes to the egg. Next, scoop 2 spoons of seasoned flour and mix them all together. You need to mix it until all of the chicken breast covered by egg and flour. Get a clean pan, then pour some new oil into it. Don't forget to turn on the gas stove, okay guys? When you realize the oil starts to boil, you can fry the chicken from the chicken batter until finished. When you realize the chicken start to be a golden brown color, then you can take it and toast the oil from the chicken. Melt the butter. After a few minutes, add the garlic and red chili that have already been chopped. You can add the chili according to your preferred level of spiciness. Don't forget to add the curry leaves. Meanwhile, you can start pouring a can of evaporated creamer slowly and get the perfect amount. You can also sprinkle 1 pinch of salt to get the perfect balance for the sauce. Next, add 1 slice of cheddar cheese. Pour the chicken slightly into the sauce. After that, stir it well until all of the chicken covered by the sauce. Finally, once everything is done, pour the dish into the bowl.
A few moments later.
So guys, this is my buttermilk chicken. It is done. I hope you guys can follow the tutorial and make it by yourself. Enjoy! Bye bye! That's all from me.